Hi guys, today I am going to unboxing Smith Wi-Fi light. This light is very beautiful. You can decorate your home. So let's unboxing the Smith bulb. I am opening the box, guys. Wait for the how the device is. I am showing to you. And nice packaging. Packaging is good, and you can see this bulb is nice packaging. Just see. Smith bulb, Wi-Fi RGB smart bulb, 10 watt. Guys, there is have also 7 watt, but I ordered 10 watt. I think it will be more glow, and 2800K and 6500K, and I have the perfect ambient for every mode. This product is telling that. So next we are going this device how you can control. So you can see here is the control. Just see, guys. So you can use it with your Wi-Fi hotspot from another phone, and if you connected this light and your device both on the same Wi-Fi, then you can operate. Or if you can hotspot, then also you can connected this device with this bulb. So let's show 16 million colors. There is automatically glow the all color on after another. Okay, and the effects is synchronized light to your favorite music, and see how the lights reacts with the rhythm. And these effects you can feel the ambience of the music when the glow of the light and color will be changed with the music, and it really feel you another world. So let's go for the scenes. Set your smart home the way you like with one touch, and with your finger you can increase your brightness, and you can on off with your mobile phone or a smartphone. And just go. This is the 16 million colors and all thing is okay. 1 year limited warranty product. This is the very good thing, and it is B22 base. Actually B22 base is the socket where the device will be connected. So basically all home applications at B2026 B22, sorry. So let's open the boxes, and how does it look. Just see, guys. I am opening the devices. It's little bit nice packaging, and there is a Smith bulb information booklet is given, and the light I am opening. Just wait and just see how the bulb is look. It's really nice. It looks just a normal light, but it has many type of colors which you can see. So guys, at the absence of light, I will show you how the device is works. So till end watch the full video. I think it will be very much delightful, and it will be very much enjoyment to give you, and you will definitely purchase this device. Okay, so let's go for the next.
Hi guys, you can see I have connected the device that is you're showing. This is the PPEC. I have created this name, and if you click on this, then you can see this is the temperature, totally white. If you want decrease the brightness, the light is automatically decrease. Just see, if you change the color will be changed. Just see, if you increase the brightness, light will be more glow. Just see, guys. Just see. So next we will see how it will play with the music. So let's button the play button and on, and it is automatically detected. You can see now I am playing the music. Okay, just see. See, guys. If I pause the music, then you can see it pauses. If I see, guys, another music. Let's see. This is all my painting, guys. One day I will show my wall painting to you. Okay, just see. The full ambience is changing with the music, and the color also changing of the light. Let's play the different music, guys. Just play the different music. Just see, color is changing. Okay guys, if you like, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Watch Art Vivek Roy, and you can see my art and drawing playlist, which I have given in my description box.